Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS8591, Computer Networks, Unit 2, topic Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless LAN technology designed to connect devices of different functions such as telephone, notebook, computers, cameras, printers, coffee makers, and so on. A Bluetooth LAN is an ad hoc network, which means that the network is formed spontaneously. Bluetooth technology has several applications. Peripheral devices such as a wireless mouse or keyboard can communicate with the computer through its technology. Today's the Bluetooth technology is the implementation of protocol defined by the IEEE 802.15 standard. Next, we are going to see the architecture of the Bluetooth. Here it defines two types of networks, Piconet and Scatternet. First, we are going to see the Piconet. A Bluetooth network is called a Piconet or a small net. A Piconet can have be 8 stations, one of which is called the primary, the rest are called as secondaries. That Piconet can have only one primary station. The communication between the primary and the secondary can be one-to-one or one-to-many. Here the Piconet can have a maximum of 7 secondaries and additional 8 secondaries can be in a parked state. A secondary in a parked state is synchronized with the primary but cannot take part in communication until it moves from the parked state. Because only 8 stations can be active in a Piconet, activating a station from the parked state means that an active station must go to the parked state. Here the Piconets can be combined to form the Bluetooth. Next we are going to see the Scatternet. Piconets can be combined to form what is called a Scatternet. A secondary station in one Piconet can be in the primary in another Piconet. This station can receive messages from the primary in the first Piconet and acting as a primary deliver them to secondaries in the second Piconet. A station can be a member of two Piconets. Next, we are going to see the Bluetooth devices. A Bluetooth device has a built-in short-range radio transmitter. The current data rate is 1 Mbps with a 2.4 GHz bandwidth. Next, we are going to see the Bluetooth layer. In that layer, first we are going to see the radio layer. That means the radio layer is roughly equivalent to the physical layer of the internet model. Bluetooth devices are lower power and have a range of 10 meter. Next, we are going to see the band. Bluetooth uses a 2.4 GHz ISM band divided into 79 channels of 1 MHz each. Next, we are going to see the frequency HSS. Bluetooth uses the frequency hopping spread spectrum method in the physical layer to avoid interference from other devices or other networks. Bluetooth hops 1600 times per second. Modulation. It uses a sophisticated version of FSK called GSK. It has a carrier frequency. Bit 1 is represented by a frequency deviation but the carrier bit is represented by a frequency deviation below the carrier. Next, we are going to see the baseband layer. It is roughly equivalent to the max sublayer in the LAN. Next one is we are going to see the time division duplex. That means it is a kind of half duplex communication in which the secondary and receiver send and receive data but not at the same time. Next, we are going to see the frame format of Bluetooth. Here the header, it contains 54-bit field is a repeated 8-bit in pattern. Address, the 3-bit address subfield can define up to 7 secondaries. If the address is 0, it is used for broadcast communication from the primary to all secondaries. Next, we are going to see the type. That means it's a 4-bit type subfield defines the type of data coming from the upper layer. Then next, we are going to see it indicates that the device is unable to receive from frames. HCC, the 8-bit header error correction subfield is a checksum to detect errors in each 18-bit header session. Thank you.